Hello dear friends, hope you all are doing good. Do you want to see a sample question paper?
Today, I just selected all the questions from the chapter Trigonometry from this question paper. This is the question paper from the CBSE site itself. Okay. Yeah, here is a trick we can learn. We can use to learn the sine theta and cos theta value. I shall write here cos theta and sine theta. Okay, I'll just explain the trick. Most of the students may know about that, but if somebody doesn't know, I can explain it here. Okay, just imagine the fingers of a hand like 0 degree, okay, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, so for cos theta, we will write, first of all, we have to write the square root divided by 2. And inside this, we will write fingers above. This actually means number of fingers above. Okay. Suppose if you want to know what is cos 30, okay. If you want to know cos 30, just count how many fingers above cos 30 finger. So 30 finger, 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers are above this value. So I can write root 3 by 2. Okay. So in case you want cos 60, just put a square root and 2. What should we write inside? How many fingers are there? Let's count. 60. Above this one, I have only one finger, right? Only one finger is there above 60 degree. So root 1 by 1. Sorry, root 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2. These are the values for cos 30 and cos 60. You can just check with other values. And can you guess what about sine theta? Sine theta, you have to draw like this. The square root divided by 2. And inside it will be fingers below. How many fingers are there below that value? You have to count it. Suppose in case you want to find sine 30, okay, sine 30, below this finger, how many fingers are there? Only one finger, right? Only one finger is here below 30. So we will write root 1 divided by 2. That is 1 by 2. Sine 30's value is 1 by 2. And what about sine 60 or sine 45? We can check sine 45. Just write the square root and divide by 2. This is the first thing we have to do. And inside the square root, we will count how many fingers are below that particular 45. This below the 45 value, we have 1, 2 fingers, right? 2 fingers are there. So we can write root 2 divided by 2. What is root 2 divided by 2? 1 by root 2. So this is a trick to remember. These 5 values, cos theta, for cos theta and sine theta, and even tan theta you can find using the equation sine theta over cos theta. Okay, you can use this equation and you can use the tricks for finding sine theta and cos theta. Okay. So this is the first question. 1 minus tan square 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30 is equal to. So this is only for 1 mark question. No need to spend much time on this. Okay, either you can find like this, 1 minus sine square 30 divided by cos square 30. Instead of tan square, I'm writing sine square 30 by cos square 30 divided by 1 plus sine square 30 divided by cos square 30. Because I don't want to find the particular value for this question. Okay, I just want to know how it is related to cosine and tan. Okay, here I can just cross multiply cos square 30 minus sine square 30 and divided by cos square 30 will be coming, but I can cancel out with this. This is a 1 mark question, right? No need to write all the steps just to find the answer. Cos square 30 minus sine square 30. Sorry, here it is plus. Okay, divided by cos square 30, that will be cancelling out. And what is this? Cos square 30 minus sine square 30 is cos 2 theta. Here it is 1. And here theta is the angle 30 degree. So it will be cos 60. Option A is the correct answer. And if you want to find it by applying the values, okay, maybe if you are not sure about these equations, you can use just applying the value. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay, using that previous trick, you can find tan 30 is 1 by root 3 and you want to find the square, divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 square. Okay, and 1 minus 1 by 3 whole divided by 1 plus 1 by 3. Okay, 3 minus 1, 2 by 3 by 4 by 3. Okay, 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. And here in the options, we only get 1 by 2 for the cos 60 value. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and 1 we cannot take because the answer is 1 by 2. And tan 60 is root 3, so tan square 60 will be 3. So answer will be cos 60 itself. Any of this method you can use. Moving to next question. This is also a 1 mark question. If sin A minus B equals half and cos A plus B equals half, and it is given that A plus B is the value is between 0 degree and 90 degree and A greater than B. We can check once we get the answer, we can confirm which one is A and B. Then find the values of A and B. Okay, so sine something is half. So what sine of what degree, what angle is half? Okay, we know sine 30 is half. So A minus B must be 30 degree, right? And what about cos? Cos 60 is half. So definitely A plus B equals 60 degree. So we can combine these equations to find A and B. A minus B equal to 30. A plus B equals 60. Just solve it. By adding these two equations, we will get 2A equals 90. So A will be equals 90 divided by 2, 45 degree. So definitely B will be, A minus B is 30, correct? So B will be 15 degree. Okay, you can check A plus B, 45 plus 15, 60. Okay, A minus B, 45 minus 15 is 60. Sorry, 45 minus 15 is 30. Okay, then A is greater than B. So you found two values. If 3 cot A equals 4, where 0 degree, A is between 0 degree and 90 degree, then CK is equal to, here it is also for 1 mark question, 3 cot A equals 4. What about cot A? 4 by 3. So cot A is actually adjacent side over opposite side, right? Okay, we can find the hypotenuse easily. Root of 4 square plus 3 square, that is 5 units. And if you know 4 and 3 and 4 for a right angle triangle, if two sides are 3 and 4, definitely the other side will be 5. Okay, this is a basic thing. If you know this, no need to waste time to find the hypotenuse separately. Just write hypotenuse as 5 and finding CK. CK is reciprocal of cos A, that is hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. Hypotenuse is 5, adjacent is 4, 5 by 4 is the answer. As we are selecting from the option, no need to waste much time on calculations. Okay. This is, I think, 2 mark question. Cos CK minus sin A times CK minus cos A equals 1 by tan A plus cot A. So for finding this, we have to write the LHS first. Okay, instead of cos CK, I am writing this term in terms of sin A. Sin A, it is 1 by sin A minus sin A. Okay. This one, instead of cos CK, I am writing 1 by sin A minus sin A times, instead of CK, I can write 1 by cos A minus cos A. Okay, I'm not taking RHS now. I just want to get a form and I will just equate with that RHS. Okay, sin A minus 1 by sin A minus A equals 1 minus sin square A divided by sin A, 1 minus cos square A divided by cos A. Okay, what is 1 minus sin square A? It is cos square A times 1 minus cos square A sin square A whole divided by sin A cos A. We can cancel 1 cos A and 1 sin A. The remaining form will be cos A sin A. By practice only we can do like this. Otherwise, we will definitely deviate for some other forms. Okay, just practice daily. Cos A sin A. And this is the LHS. And we can take the RHS. Okay, we should get the same form for RHS. 1 by tan A plus cot A. Okay. Instead of tan A, I can write sin A divided by cos A. Instead of cot A, I can write cos A divided by sin A. Cross multiply, while cross multiplying we get cos A sin A divided by sine square A plus cos square A. Sine square A plus cos square A. What is this? The denominator will be 1 and answer is cos A sin A. So we proved LHS equals RHS. Hence, equation is proved. So for the next two questions, we should understand what is angle of elevation and angle of depression. Okay, the angle between the horizontal line of sight and an object that is above the observer. So if the observer is here and he is looking something above him, it is making some angle. So just draw a horizontal line here in the line of sight and to the object. Okay, so this angle is angle of elevation. Okay. And here, what about here? The angle between the horizontal line of sight and an object that is below the observer. If the observer is here and he is looking something below him and it is making some angle. So here also we will draw a horizontal line here, horizontal line with the observer and to the object. Okay, this angle is angle of depression. If you understand this only, we can do the next two questions. From the top of a 9-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower and the distance between building and tower. So this is an application level question. Okay. So here, this is a 9-meter building. Okay, BC is a 9-meter building and angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower. So this AD is the top cable tower. AD is the cable tower and we want to find we are marking, okay, angle of elevation to the top of the tower. So here you can see from B is observing that point. In this point we are observing. So here the horizontal line is here and the object is here. And it is the angle of elevation 60 degree. It is given. An angle of depression to its foot. So again the horizontal line is here, DE, and the line to the object, that is BD. So it is making angle of depression 45 degree. Okay. Determine the height of the tower. So we have to find the height of the tower AD. So, okay. But up to DE we can guess, we can write, because BC is 9 meter, definitely the opposite side of that rectangle will be 9 meter. But this part is unknown. So I just wrote X here. This is an unknown part. So height of the tower we should find and distance between the building and tower. So this is the distance between building and tower DC. Okay, we have to find that also. So I am just writing as distance between D and C as Y. Okay, we have to find X and Y to complete our answer. So you can write the given details first. Okay, height of the building 9 meter. Then angle of elevation 60 degree, angle of depression 45 degree. You can rewrite all the given details. And after that you should write in triangle BDC. Okay, before that please tell me what should be this angle BDC. Yeah, definitely it is 45 degree, right? Because it is making alternate angle with this. BE and CD are two parallel lines and BD is intersecting them. So definitely it makes alternate angles. So it is 45 degree in triangle BDC. Can you tell me what is tan 45? Okay, opposite side by adjacent side. BC divided by DC. What is BC? It is given 9 meter. And what is DC? We have to find it. We just write Y, 9Y. And what is the value for tan 45 degree? It's 1. So Y will be 9 divided by 1, 9 meter. So we got the second question's answer. Distance between building and tower, we got 9 meter. So you have to write it, okay? Please don't stop here. So you have to write because it's a question. Distance between building and tower. Right, you please write neatly. Building and tower 9 meter. And second question, we have to find here the X, we should find the X. So this triangle will help us. Triangle AEB will help us. So in triangle AEB, we should find tan 60. Okay. What is the value for tan 60? Root 3, right? And here you can write tan 60 is opposite side by adjacent side. Adjacent side is also, this is also 9 meter because it is opposite to DC, correct? Opposite side of DC. So that is 9 meter. And tan 60 is AE by BE. AE by BE, that is X divided by 9, right? X divided by 9. So what will be x? And this is equal to root 3. 9 root 3. X is 9 root 3 meter, but we can't stop here because we want to find the complete height of that tower, including this DE. So we should write height of the tower. Height of the tower equals AE plus ED. AE plus ED. That is, AE is 9 root 3 plus ED is 9. 9 root 3 plus 9. You have to find 1.732 times 9 first. Okay, then it should be added with 9 meter. Okay, you will get 24.588 meter. Okay, please calculate this and you will get this answer. Second question, similar to that one. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. So for drawing a correct diagram, they are giving the clues. Okay, exactly behind the other, on the same side. These things we should use for drawing the diagram. Okay, so here this AB is the lighthouse, right? So from here, they're observing two ships. Okay, one is so we can draw the angle of depression like horizontal line is there, and D is the position of one ship. Okay, so to that ship, it takes 30 degree angle of depression, and the other ship is at the position C, and it takes 45 degree as the angle of depression. Okay. So what is our question? Find the distance between two ships. So CD we have to find. So this is the position of first ship. This is the position of second ship. We have to find the distance between the ships. Okay. So what are the clues we are getting from here? Here is a line. We can write AE, and AE and BD are parallel lines. So you can write the alternate angle, 30 degree here. The same thing happens here. Some point is here. If you imagine some point is here, and BC is parallel to that line, and this angle 45 degree. So definitely this is the alternate angle, 45 degree. Okay, so in triangle ABD, what is the clue you get for finding BD? In triangle ABD, definitely we can write tan 30. Okay, tan 30 equals opposite side over adjacent side BD. Is it right? Okay, and this value is 1 over root 3. So what will be BD? B to D, that is 75 times root 3. Okay, meter. And in triangle ABC, what happens? Tan 45. We can calculate tan 45 as opposite by adjacent, that is 75 by BC. Okay, so BC will, and this value is equal to 1. Tan 45 is 1. So BC will definitely 75 meter. Okay, so you got BC and BD. So just find CD. Okay, CD equals BD minus BC. BD is 75 root 3 minus 75. So you can take 75 root 3 minus 1. This is also fine, but in question it is given root 3's value. Okay, specifically it is given 1.732. You can apply this value and the answer will be 54.9 meter. Okay, this is the answer for.
So we have discussed all the questions from trigonometry in that sample question paper. Hope you all understood those things. Please let me know the suggestions to improve our classes. Thank you.